My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Renault Megane. This vehicle has done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights and keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. On the first page of our home screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration and navigation. On the second page, we have our driver assistance, AC, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can access our parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.